Building a PC isn't just about picking the fastest CPU or the most powerful GPU. The motherboard is the backbone that ties it all together. The right motherboard affects performance, upgrade options, connectivity, and even stability under heavy loads. But with so many models, chipsets, and features, finding the perfect one can feel overwhelming. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best motherboards that deliver performance, reliability, and value. From top-tier gaming boards to versatile options for productivity and content creation, these picks are designed to meet different budgets and needs. Now, before we dive in, make sure to use our links. They will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going. Number 5. MSI MAG B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. If you're thinking about spending serious money on an Intel B660 motherboard, brands like MSI, Gigabyte, and ASUS certainly have premium options ready for you. But it's worth pausing once prices get close to the $200 mark. At that level, many builders should strongly consider stepping up to the Z790 platform instead, since capable boards like the MSI Pro Z690, they can often be found starting around $190. That said, the MSI B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi still makes a compelling case for itself depending on your priorities. While Z690 is typically the go-to choice for enthusiasts who want CPU overclocking support, the Tomahawk becomes a smarter buy if you're running a locked, non-K Intel processor and have no interest in overclocking. One major advantage is connectivity. The B660 Tomahawk includes built-in Wi-Fi 6, something missing from some similarly priced Z690 options, along with stronger rear I/O featuring 5 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports compared to just 2 on the Pro Z690. It also offers a slightly upgraded audio codec, although most users will notice only a small real-world difference. Design-wise, the board feels premium thanks to full M.2 heatsink coverage and a pre-installed I/O shield, making installation cleaner and easier. Alternatives like the Gigabyte B660 AORUS Master or ASUS ROG Strix B660F gaming Wi-Fi exist, but availability can be limited and pricing often climbs significantly higher, sometimes by $50 or more. Considering overall features, usability, and value, the MSI B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi stands out as one of the best high-end B660 motherboards you can buy right now. Number 4. ASRock X870 Nova Wi-Fi. The ASRock Phantom Gaming X870 Nova Wi-Fi stands out as a strong alternative for builders who can't easily find the B850 power or simply don't need extreme overclocking features. Despite being positioned as a more affordable X870 motherboard, it manages to compete with many mid-range options thanks to its impressive overall design and reliable performance. One of its biggest highlights is the robust power delivery system, featuring an 18+2+1 phase VRM that delivers excellent thermal efficiency and stable performance, even when paired with high core count Ryzen CPUs. This makes moderate CPU overclocking far more accessible without requiring a premium enthusiast-level board. Connectivity is another area where the X870 Nova Wi-Fi shines, offering a generous selection of rear I/O ports along with useful additions like clear CMOS and BIOS flashback buttons, which simplify troubleshooting and firmware updates without opening the case. The board also includes 4 DDR5 DMM slots supporting up to 256 GB of memory with speeds reaching 8,400 metric tons per second, along with a strong storage layout that features multiple PCIe 5.0 and PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots for high-speed SSD setups. While it only provides 2 SATA ports, which may feel limiting for users with large SATA drive collections, most modern gamers relying on M.2 storage won't see this as a major drawback. With built-in Wi-Fi 7, solid expansion options, and a visually appealing design, the X870 Nova Wi-Fi delivers a well-balanced combination of performance, features, and value, making it a practical choice for builders seeking strong, everyday performance without paying for extreme, overclocking hardware. Number 3. Gigabyte X870E AORUS Master ICE X3D. The Gigabyte X870E AORUS Master ICE X3D stands among the most advanced AM5 motherboards available, targeting enthusiasts building around next-generation Ryzen processors. Its 22-phase VRM design delivers stable power, sustained boost clocks, and dependable performance under heavy multitasking or overclocking workloads. Connectivity is equally robust, featuring dual high-speed LAN, integrated Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4 for low-latency gaming, streaming, and content creation. Premium construction, substantial thermal solutions, and builder-friendly troubleshooting features enhance reliability and ease of installation. The distinctive I/O zone AORUS RGB lighting adds visual impact for showcase builds. A standout practical feature is the rare 65W front panel USB Type-C power delivery header, enabling fast charging directly from a case's front port. While the $649 price places it firmly in enthusiast territory and SATA connectivity is somewhat limited, PCIe 5.0 support and high-speed memory compatibility make it an excellent foundation for a no-compromise AM5 flagship system. Number 2. MSI MAG Z490 Tomahawk. With a budget around $200, several Z490 motherboards deliver strong performance without overspending. A standout is the MSI MAG Z490 Tomahawk, typically priced near $190. In testing, it handled an overclocked Intel Core i9-10900K at 5.1 GHz and 1.35 V while peaking at just 74 degrees Celsius, impressive given the chip's high power draw. The board features 12 55A power stages, 660A total, and substantial 393G VRM heatsinks, far heavier than budget-oriented alternatives. Connectivity is equally competitive, offering 2.5 gigabits LAN, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, 20 gigabits per second, and ample rear I/O. Another option is the Gigabyte Z490 Vision G, which includes 3 full-length PCIe X16 slots, though bandwidth is limited by the LGA 1200 platform. VRM performance is comparable, but overall value slightly favors the Tomahawk. Number 1. ASUS ROG Strix X870E Gaming Wi-Fi. The ASUS ROG Strix X870E gaming Wi-Fi demonstrates that a premium gaming motherboard doesn't have to cross into ultra-luxury pricing to deliver flagship-grade capability. Built on the X870E chipset, it offers broad compatibility with Ryzen 7000 and 9000 series processors, including X3D variants, supported by a robust 18+2+2 power stage VRM that maintains stability under sustained load and overclocking. Connectivity is a major strength, with abundant high-speed USB Type-A ports and 4 USB-C connections offering up to 40 gigabits per second bandwidth. Builder-friendly features such as onboard power and reset buttons, plus a Q-code LED display, streamline diagnostics, and tuning. Storage flexibility is equally strong, with multiple PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots alongside PCIe 4.0 and SATA support. Although the PCIe Q release design may raise minor durability concerns, the overall package is highly compelling. Priced under $400, it balances performance headroom, expansion capability, and premium features exceptionally well. That concludes today's session, everyone. We trust this information was helpful. If so, please like our video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Wishing you a great day, stay safe, and keep progressing.